Tumbo walked down the jungle way, happy heart, a sunny day. Flowers smiled and birds sang too. The sky was bright and very blue. Then whoosh, the wind came fast. Dark clouds said the storm is here at last. Leaves went dancing, trees said oh. Tumbo felt scared, his steps went slow. Allah is near, Tumbo said low. I won't run, I'll help, I know. He saw small friends afraid and wept, a rabbit, a monkey, trembling yet. Come with me, said Tumbo kind, I'll stand strong, don't fear behind. They held his trunk, step by step, through shallow water, careful, slow, and kept. The rain grew soft, the wind said bye. The clouds moved gently from the sky. The storm was gone, the sun came through. The jungle smiled fresh and new. Thank you, Tumbo, friends all say. Tumbo smiled in a humble way, not big or strong, but brave and true. Helping hearts is what heroes do.